This is Carmelino. Is it Carmelino? At the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. One gorgeous kitty. But that's not the best view, girl. There you go. That's the best view.
That's not. I have a beautiful tail.
Oh, hello. And she's so friendly. She's always wanting to greet people. Say, come see me. You're just a beautiful kitty. Better keep you indoors, though. You could be mistaken for a skunk. I'm sorry. Was that an insult? No, you're just much too gorgeous for that. Hi, girl. Okay. You're a tough one. You're just so busy here, aren't you? She's very friendly, very sociable, very gorgeous. Do you keep care of that fur all by yourself, or do you get help? I bet you need people to help you, don't you? Hi, girl. Well, Carmelino, I'm going to say goodbye. Yeah. I'm going to turn off the camera now. Bye-bye. Let you go back to your sniffing.